What's up, everybody on YouTube, man? Just got off work like an hour early or whatever. So came home, showered, relaxed a little bit, and I'm like, man, let me go ahead, knock this unboxing out the way for y'all for the gang. But on another note, sad story. Sorry to hear this, my boy. Me and my kicks. I think his channel got deleted because of some old copywriting stuff. So everybody, make sure y'all go ahead, go to Me and My Kicks, subscribe to him, get them subs back up for him. I think my boy is at like 1.3, 1.4K, something like that in that area. Make sure y'all go ahead, man. Go ahead, subscribe to my boy. Get that channel back popping. Dope reviews on feats, vlog action, all that. He do the whole 9 yard. Go ahead, look out for my boy. And finna go to the shoe room, man. Give y'all this unboxing real quick, man. Let's get it. What's hood, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Drizzy, potato, tomato. And yes, I do go by PM Kicks, man. And before we get into the video, y'all already know, hit that thumbs up button, share the video, friends, family, gang members, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And of course, I picked this box up yesterday. Y'all already know I didn't do a double upload, no, but here he is today. About to go ahead, get into the shoe, get into this view. That knife, I need a new unboxing knife. Honestly, I'm tired of doing all this flipping around and shit. I know exactly what shoe this is. So let's get straight into it. I haven't seen them yet. I seen some on YouTube. Tony D did one. A few other people did it. But gotta get my own look at it. Oh, wait. Oh, man. What is that? What is this? Just a little. Whew. And these are the... Yeah. Y'all already know. Damn, I got it upside down and shit. Y'all already know. Y'all know what shoe this is. No, y'all don't. Because they both got this real dope box. But which one did I get, though? There's not even a colorway on this. Let's get into the pickup, man. I got this from the Shoe Gallery. I think my address on here, so I ain't gonna put that too close. But I got this from the Shoe Gallery. Of course, you have that Sonic paper, Sonic X Puma paper. And they wrapped this to the T. Ooh. Bling, blow, burr on the shoes, man. Yes, real dope. Yes, sir. Let me just take all this. Let me just take that out. Yes, sir. Real dope pickup. Let me get y'all that full 360 view all the way around. Look at that bottom on that, though. Now let's get into the shoe, man. Ooh, this some old slick Vaseline baby oil feel right here, boy. Man, but look, though, let's get into the shoe. Of course, start on the toe box. You have that. If you know the machine he drive, this is based off the machine he drive, and he be shooting the missiles out at Sonic and Tails and Knuckles and the whole gang. No, I don't think he ever shot at Knuckles. But Sonic and Tails, though. For sure, 100%. But, of course, you have like that patent leather, like a real thin, tight patent leather feel on the toe box. Really all over the shoe. You have the hint of gold. You have the rings that and they all, these are individual rings, though. This is dope. These rings are all individual. Like I thought they was all together, but they all individual rings. This is dope. I swear I thought it was like one hard little plastic, and this is like a little metal. Wait, hold up. No, they might be. I don't know. Oh yeah. Side panel, you like that caution, machinery area type vibe right there. You have the Puma logo real like embroidered in the shoe. You can hear that's real dope. It don't stand out. It ain't vibrant as much, but you can see it though. You have some stitching right here, mesh on the tongue. All down is a mesh tongue. Have the Sonic the Hedgehog Puma logo on the tongue as well. On the back of the shoe, this is a rubber heel with that caution on the back as well. The run system on the heel, I'm guessing that's what this pattern is back here, is the run system. Yes, this is the RS0 run system. You have Dr. Eggman right here shooting those little fireballs. Dr. Eggman shooting those fireballs. They usually be floating towards Sonic. A little slow. Y'all know how Sonic be. Yeah. Oh, this dope. Puma on the insole. You have the cushions. These some nice paddings for your heel and toe box, side foot. You have the. I got this from Shoe Gallery. The tag is actually on the. Oh, it got hedgehog and all this stuff in the inside. This is dope, man. I got to get the Sonic version. I have to get the Sonic version. When I first seen it was coming out, it was an instant cop before they even got out. The outsole, you have that translucent ice baby bottom, but it's like a dark ice though. You can see, as you can see in the, if you can even see it, it says Sonic the Hedgehog in the inside of the see-through bottom. You have Puma run system as well. But these are a dope shoe. Like, I'm starting to like the collabs they do. Like, they've been doing some dope collabs. Like, these past, like, few years, actually. They've been doing some real dope collabs. Like, people been asleep. And I'm kind of mad and glad they sleep, because it gives me a chance to get the shoe. But people be missing out on real dope collectibles. You can wear it, you can collect it, you know, but like people be really missing out on dope shoes because they not hype, you know. But I don't care. Keep sleeping. I'm gonna keep copping, giving y'all reviews, you know. And I mean, it's a lot of stuff coming out too as well. So people is probably saving up for the more hype things. You have the Levi 4s, 2 pairs. You have the Yeezys coming out on the international pack, which I seen them early. I seen them at Chicago Emporium. I don't even think I put that vlog up on my page. I had went there. But these are some dope shoes. You got a pull tab on the heel as well. And the liner, like on the outside line on the heel, it's like a little mesh material. Real nice padding on the inside, the inline of the shoe. Real nice cushioning padding on the shoe. I'm guessing for that heel support for when you run. You know, your shoe, you got that heel bouncing back here. Real nice heel support. And these is dope, man. I know I'm right here caressing the fuck out the shoe. For real, but these are dope. They probably, like, when you wear them, you might get like that crease going on right here. But this is real, like, it's real soft. This is real soft. So it might not, like, it's gonna crease, but it might not be too bad where you don't want to wear the shoe anymore. But it's definitely gonna crease. But this would be a nice addition to anybody collection. For real. I'm not lying. I don't get paid to hype any shoe up. You know, I do this for free, do this for fun, do this because this is what I love doing. You know, I buy shoes on a regular. Why not show y'all what I buy? You know, whether it's hype or not. You feel me? But you already know, man. Don't forget, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.